sitting down safely? Make sure you stay like that. I've loaded up the parcels. When we need to deliver a parcel, press the button that matches it.
I think I've got a bigger one.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Oh, look! There's Ajay playing with his train set. But something's missing. What can he use to pull the carriages? That's his train. Well done! Ajay will be so pleased now that he has his train. Well done! Well done! Here's Farmer Alf Thompson at Thompson Ground. He's counting his livestock. I'm waiting for a very important delivery. Well done.
I'm waiting for a very important delivery. Oh,
Looks
no.
like PC Selby has had to close the road.
Now then, what's going on here?
Never mind, we'll just have to take another route. These parcels must be delivered.
Not that busy today, either.
Not very dear, isn't it? A bit wet though.
I know it's been raining.
Ted Glenn is fixing my special delivery service helicopter. Looks like he needs something to help him finish the job. I wonder what it is. Airs now. Well done. It's art class today at the school, but Mira and Charlie seem to be missing something to paint with. Charlie can do their painting. Just one more to go now. Well done. Here's Mrs. Goggins sorting out the Greendale mail. She's just waiting for one last letter. Mrs. Goggins has got her letter. Well done.
Mrs. Goggins.
Mrs. Goggins has got her letter.
Let me think the horse.
Thank you. Another special delivery service completed.
I did.
Mission accomplished.
Hey.